Have you forgot your iPhone passcode and are stuck with iPhone unavailable or iPhone disabled screen? Now want to unlock iPhone without passcode? If yes, then this video is for you. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pinned comment to unlock any iPhone or iPad without passcode in minutes. Hey folks, myself from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to unlock any iPhone without passcode using a professional and easy to use iPhone unlocker. First, this iPhone unlocker helps us to unlock iPhone without passcode, Face ID or Touch ID. The best part is that it works with almost all models of iPhones, iPads, iPod touches, and supports latest iOS 17 system upgrade as well. So yes, you can also unlock iOS devices with iOS 17, and here I am talking about Passvers iPhone Unlocker. Passvers iPhone Unlocker is the best iPhone unlocker tool that can unlock iPhone under any scenarios like forgot screen passcode, iPhone is disabled, locked second-hand iPhone, Face or Touch ID does not work, and broken or unresponsive iPhone screen. The best part is that it can remove lock screen passcode of all types from any iPhone model. Not only this, it also helps you unlock iPad without passcode. All you need is to follow 3 simple steps and you can wipe screen lock, remove Apple ID, remove screen time passcode, bypass iCloud activation lock, remove MDM, and remove iTunes backup password. Wow, that's insane. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in description and pin comment to visit this official Passvers iPhone Unlocker website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once Passvers iPhone Unlocker free download completes, click on the downloaded file to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Passvers iPhone Unlocker with all its features and capabilities. First, we can do so much with Passvers iPhone Unlocker, but today I wanna show you all how to use Passvers iPhone Unlocker to unlock iPhone without passcode. And for that, here we are back on Passvers iPhone Unlocker. Now click on Wipe Passcode. Next, click on Start. Here we need to connect our iPhone to computer with USB cable. Once device connected successfully, now here it mentions device information. Confirm it and then click on Start. It starts downloading iPhone from a package. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once done, here comes a pop-up with warning that iPhone data will be erased and iPhone will be upgraded to latest OS version. Once we are ready, enter 4 times 0 and click on Unlock. Now it will start to unlock device. Give it some time. Don't disconnect your iPhone with computer and let Passvers iPhone Unlocker complete unlocking process. It may take some time. Once done, our device is unlocked successfully. Now our iPhone will restart. We need to set it up as a new iPhone. Follow the steps to set it up. Once done, here we have successfully unlocked iPhone. Wow, that's simply insane. Effortless and 100% working. Same way you can also unlock any iPhone without passcode using Passvers iPhone Unlocker. Not only this, you can watch a step-by-step tutorial from my channel to know how to bypass iCloud activation lock on iPhone using Passvers iPhone Unlocker. Now you may ask, is Passvers iPhone Unlocker free and safe to use? Well, it's 100% safe, and we can use its free version to know if our device is compatible or not. But if you are looking to unlock iPhone, we will require a plan. So now let's talk about Passvers iPhone Unlocker pricing plan. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on Buy Now. Here we have different pricing plans for Passvers iPhone Unlocker. Choose a plan as per your requirement. Affordable and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to try out Passvers iPhone Unlocker if you are looking to unlock any iPhone without passcode. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. How can I recover deleted data from iPhone and how iPhone data recovery works? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. And today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted files from Android phone.